Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I have another unboxing from Coe Bags. If you guys are new here, I love working with Coe Bags. They are an online website that specializes in high quality reps, and today I did pick out a Louis Vuitton Speedy. It's the, I believe it's called, let's see on the actual Louis website, it's called the Speedy P9 Bandouliere 25, and this is actually from like the runway collection. So such a nice bag. So you do get it in a nice big old box, and I already took it out the box, of course. So bag does come with a dust bag. Love that. And when I opened this bag yesterday, guys, I was like, oh my god, because it's so gorgeous, so beautiful, so nice. And here it is. I love this color so much. This blue is just so nice. I love the blue and the brown handles. I love the contrast of it, especially with this gold detailing. So pretty. Here's a close-up. It has the LV in white and all the little details of it. It's such a nice bag. The construction of it is just chef's kiss. Like, it's so nice. I have a real Louis Vuitton Speedy 25, and so I feel like this, compared to it, the quality is really nice on here, guys. And they had this bag in different colors on Coe Bags website, but as soon as I opened it, I was like, oh my god, so gorgeous. So let's open it. One thing I did love about this bag, it comes with like a little key pouch. I thought that was so nice. And then also on the inside, it comes with this little pillow, which helps keep the shape of your bag. And I thought that was so nice. So I really love this. And let me show y'all the pouch. It's actually really big. I thought it was going to be smaller because I have a real Louis Vuitton key pouch, and this is like 2 times the size of it. And I love that you can clip it on through this little loop, or you could detach it if you want to. But I thought that was such a nice touch to this bag. So like, I can use it, of course, to put cash in here, cards, change, and it has such good space to it. So this is such a nice touch. Like, I really just love that about this bag too. And then the inside is like a nice blue and white striped detail, but my favorite part of it all is this little gold plaque that's on the bag too. Can get a close-up of the detail for you guys. This is what it looks like. It's so nice, so nice. So of course it has the zipper inside. That's the typical of a Speedy 25. And yeah, love this bag. I also wanted to show y'all, it comes with a little bit more things. So this bag does have a strap, so you do have the option of wearing it crossbody or on your shoulder. So here's the attached, and you can adjust it, of course, to your liking. I still need to take the plastic off of the ends, but you can loop it through on both ends of the bag. And then also in here is just like a little extra tag if I wanted to have it hang off of the front of the bag, because Speedies are originally like luggage bags, so it has like that luggage look when they have that on here. And then also it has this little tab that can go on the bag, and then it comes with the lock. So the lock just looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the bag, and it has the keys for the lock too. This is the lock, and then here's the keys. So such a cute bag, you guys. I love this so much. Like, it's so gorgeous. I love Speedy 25s. I think they're really gorgeous bags, and Coe Bags really did an amazing job on the craftsmanship of this bag. It's always such nice quality. Love working with them and love picking out stuff from their site. So of course I will have this bag linked in the description box for you guys, plus a discount code, so y'all can head over there and shop. Hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.